What up? Today we're just gonna do like a little vlog thing. I'm going to the dog park, so I just figured I'd like vlog and take you guys along with me. So it's a school night and I have homework, so maybe I can like show you guys my homework or something.
Subscribe?
If you want, I guess. Okay, ttyl. It's not hard to load.
What the heck? That's been...
Do that. You should be doing this, not me. So, how is everybody doing today?
Same.
So today, I'm gonna get ready, like do my, not really do makeup, just like brush my hair and put on my jewelry and everything. See you in the car, okay, bye. Hey, the dogs are in the back. Oh gosh. We're going to the dog park. Okay, see you there. How hot is it right now?
Checking the weather for winter spring.
80 degrees!
Holy moly guacamole.
You good? Want some more? So after my dog Samson was drinking the water, he was playing with this other little pit bull. It was really cute. It wasn't mean or anything. They started to like play fight, but then it started to turn into like they were growling a lot and they were kind of going at it. I started to like freak out, so I was like trying to break it up. I just took both the dogs out. Me and Lexi just walked our dogs outside and let them play over there. That explains what this next clip is, okay? Okay, well that was fun. Okay, you guys are exhausted.
Is that the dog that?
Yeah.
Oh, so you can go in there, bud. There we go.
Well, they all three walked away at the same time.
I think they're too short.
See, smart.
It be urgent, chill it up, the top is on the curtain, please. I decided to go up like Major League.
She's in love with who I am.
Pretty baby, baby, I'm begging, lady.
Hello.
It's floppy and skinny. It's not even meaty. It's...
That's so beautiful. Look at that. It's like scales. Ow! Put that out.
New spicy Kanjan chicken.
Watch something.
What is wrong with you? Fourth ring. Oh, too late. Knock it off. Your dessert's coming. No, lazy. You want to people?
Oh, heck no. Get your butt over here. I'm back from Target. I got some stuff that I want to show you guys, I guess. a little nervous. I did a little try on little video thing at Target. I'll just talk about each shirt and I'll just put in the clip of me trying it on. First item is this shirt here, actually, that I'm wearing right now. It is a cropped long sleeve. Target has this new clothing line called Wild Fable. All right, anyway, so here's the first shirt. It says it's all good on the shirt. It's really comfortable. It's super soft. Hold on. The waist is like the like elastic material, so it's like it like cinches to like your waist, and it's not really like heavy, so you can wear it. I live in Florida and it's never cold here, but I'm still gonna wear this because it's not like very
warm.
If that makes sense. Next shirt is this long sleeve. It's really, really stretchy. It's really, really soft. Like, feel it, feel it. Yeah, I know. It's freaking soft. Next is this shirt. The sleeves are folded, so I thought that was really, really cute. And then actually, I think these shorts are not from, oh no, they're not. These are Universal Thread. This is their other line, actually. They're kind of like high-waisted, but they're like a teal.
I wish this was sponsored. I freaking love Target.
I think I'm gonna post this video before Friday as like a bonus video. If you don't have my post notifications on, you can click on them and turn them on so that you can see when I post. This outfit that I'm wearing right now, I'm just gonna show you guys. American Eagle, and then I'm wearing these white slip-on Vans, white scrunchie. That's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up if you want. While you're at it, you could
just click the subscribe button right there.
You could subscribe to my channel, ttyl. Okay, bye.